I need the wiring diagram schematics for GE dryer timer model GTDP180ED0WW, with timer number 234D1206P005.
Hello, my name is you for choosing our service. On your timer it is labeled X, T, S, A, B, C. On the diagram it is labeled TX, TT, TS, TA, TB, TC. The diagram is just below. Click right here. Thanks, Barry.
The timer does give the letters, however, I do not know which wire to connect to which terminal on the timer. The wires are different colors but have no letters.
S equals black, T equals white, X equals yellow, C equals brown, A equals orange or orange/black, B equals red or pink. Thanks, Barry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.